Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect N8N to Lovable. First, go to the N8N website and make sure you log in into your account. Now click on Create Workflow to start a new automation. Then click on Add First Step to begin building your workflow. Now search for Lovable in the search bar. Since it's not available as a built-in integration, it won't show up. So instead, click on Webhook to manually receive data from Lovable. Next, choose the HTTP method you want to use. For example, POS is commonly used for sending data. Then, enter a custom path. This will create a webhook URL. Next, select your preferred authentication method if needed and choose how the webhook should respond. Fill out any other required fields, such like headers or sample data. Once everything is ready, click on Execute step to activate the webhook. Now copy the webhook URL and paste it into your Lovable account or system where you want to send the data. That's how you connect N8N to Lovable using a webhook. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.